everyone and welcome to this English learning video. Today we are going to talk about how to train your mouth to speak English more clearly, fluently and confidently. This lesson is presented using the comprehensive review method, which means we will explain the topic clearly, completely and step by step, so you can understand and practice it easily. Many learners think that speaking English is only about grammar and vocabulary, but actually, speaking is also about using your mouth muscle correctly. Your lips, tongue, and jaw all need training, just like your body needs exercise. So guys, let's get started. The podcast talks about how to train your mouth to speak English more clearly, fluently, and confidently. It explains that speaking English is not only about knowing vocabulary and grammar, but also about using your mouth muscle correctly. And the next main idea, speaking is like physical exercise. Just like your body needs training to become strong, your mouth, lips, tongue, and jaw also trying to speak English well. Without practice, speaking feels slow, unclear, and difficult. With regular practice, speaking becomes easier and more natural. And the next, about problems English learners often face. The podcast mentions several common problems. And the first, speaking too slowly. Learners pause a lot because they think too much before speaking. And the second, translating in the mind. Learners first think in their native language, then translate into English. And the third, fear of making mistakes. This fear makes learners quiet and less confident. And the fourth, not opening the mouth enough. Discuss unclear pronunciation. And the fifth, the last, unnatural rhythm. Speech sounds robotic and not smooth. And the next steps to train the mouth. The first, mouth warm up. Before speaking, learners should warm up their mouth just like athletes warm up their bodies. For example, say vowel sound clearly, like A, I, U, A, O. And the next, move the tongue left, right, and down. And then open and close the jaw slowly, time 2 or 3 minutes. And the second, practice sounds and pronunciations. Some English sounds are difficult, such as th, thing, and this. And R, red and run. L, love, and light. Learners should practice these sounds slowly and repeatedly until their mouth becomes familiar with them. The purpose, to improve clarity and accuracy. And the third, use tongue twister and repetition. For example, she saw seashells by the seahorse. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Learners should say them slowly at first, then faster. The purpose of this point, to train speed, accuracy, and mouth coordination. And the fourth, practice useful praise. Learners should practice full sentence use in daily life, such as, how are you today? Can you help me please? I would you like a cup of tea? The purpose of this point, to train the mouth to speak real sentence naturally, not just single words. And the fifth, record yourself. Learners should record their voice and listen to it. The purpose, to notice pronunciation mistake, to improve clarity, and to track progress, and the last, to build confidence. And the sixth, use shadowing technique. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating immediately, almost at the same time. The purpose, to improve pronunciation, to learn natural rhythm and intonation. To increase fluency, message to avoid speaking too fast before being ready, only memorizing without speaking out loud, giving up too quickly, and then correct habits. Start to slowly practice out loud and be consistent. And the next steps, daily practice plan. 10 until 15 minutes. Warm up your mouth 2 until 3 minutes. Practice difficult sounds 2 until 3 minutes and do tongue twister 2 minutes and practice useful phrase 2 minutes. And the next record yourself or do shadowing 2 until 3 minutes. And then real life benefits of this point, by following this method, learners will speak more clearly, speak more naturally, feel more confident, and communicate better in school, work, and daily life activity. Okay guys, about this conclusion, this podcast, the podcast teaches that speaking English is not only a mental skill, but also a physical skill. With daily mouth training, learners can improve their pronunciation fluently and confidence step by step. So guys, that's the complete explanation uses the comprehensive review method. Remember, speaking English is not just about thinking, it is also about training your mouth muscles, and with regular practice from pronunciation, exercise, tongue twister, useful phrase, and shadowing, your English speaking skill will improve step by step. So guys, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and enjoying the learner's process. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video and keep practicing your English. See you and bye-bye.